Malware is malicious code which includes the following: potentially viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware. Windows 10 includes the Windows Defender Security Center. This enables you to view virus and threat protection and to identify any threats that have been detected. It provides for real-time background threat detection. Part of the Windows Defender Security Center, which is a new Windows Store app, which has been added to Windows 10 1703 and later, is Windows Defender. So let's take a look. In the demonstration, you'll see how to configure Windows Defender and how to test Windows Defender. So to configure Windows Defender, open up the Windows Defender Security Center and then click Virus and Threat Protection. Scan history, no threats have been found. It's probable that on this virtual machine I haven't actually run any scans. I can then perform a quick scan. And we can just leave that running and get on with something else whilst that's taking place. It tells me down here that protection definitions are up to date. That's more the case because I haven't connected this VM to the internet lately than anything else. I can then go to Virus. You can see it tells me here that no problems were found. I can now go to Virus and Threat Protection, and I can turn on, it's already enabled, that's the default, real-time protection. I can also enable cloud-based protection, which is also turned on by default. I can send sample files to Microsoft if there are issues that will help them define the nature of emerging problems. I can add or remove exclusions if there are certain things I do or don't want to have scanned. And I can change notification settings. So now if I go and enable a threat, it's a sample threat. Let's see what Windows Defender does. Let's minimize that out of the way. So I've got a file on C drive in a data download folder here. If I open up this report and remove the bits of text that say remove, and save the file, immediately it looks suspicious. It's a fake threat. It tells Windows Defender tells us that it's discovered a problem. So let's open up and see what's going on. Click on Scan History and it tells us that there's a quarantine threat, virus DOS/ICAR test file, severe. We can look at some details there. Alert level severe, quarantined. Recommended action, remove the threat now. This program is dangerous and replicates by infecting other files. And that's the name of the file there. So we can remove that file if we want to, or we can restore it saying, no, it's perfectly safe, there's not a problem with it. Well, we'll remove that. That's now been removed. And if we go back to, whoops, wrong icon. If we go back to the folder, you can see that that file's been removed from the data downloads directory. In the demonstration, you saw how to configure Windows Defender and how to test Windows Defender.